This is Jeremy Storm Spotter at your nose live. It is currently 41 degrees outside, a high of 54 or 60 if you want to round it up, and a low of 30. It's going to be partly sunny today. You can probably tell from this high winds that there's going to be a wind advisory today from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. and it's already windy. By the time we're filming this, it's not even 9. So gusts up to 50 miles per hour. So yeah, that's pretty high. Although I've seen much higher. I just don't have it on my channel. I've seen like 68.68 mile per hour winds, somewhere around there. And that was pretty wild. And that's all I got for today. So now remember, weather never sleeps. Okay, bye.